My name is Andrew Scott. I'm a personal injury attorney here at Farah and Farah, specializing in litigation. Types of law that I practice are mainly motor vehicle collisions and slip and fall accidents, all under the umbrella of personal injury, and I practice in the Jacksonville downtown office. What inspired me to become an attorney is that I wanted something that was challenging, something that was going to keep me excited to go into work every day and day out. And what most attracts me to the work that I do is the fact that I get to help people navigate through circumstances that they don't know how to overcome, they don't know how to navigate, and that keeps me going every day. My work style and ethic, I would say, is fast. We have a lot of clients and we're trying to make sure that we can get to the needs of all those clients. And I think in order to do that, you have to be fast and you have to be efficient. One thing that I don't do is I never try to lapse in the communication that I have with my clients. That means if they call, if they text you, you have to be responsive. The biggest way that you can have a client upset at you is if they're not hearing from you. And the best way that you can comfort them and let them know that their case is being taken care of is by being prompt in the way that you're talking with them. The case that stood out to me the most involved a woman, and what happened with her case is that she slipped and fell at a grocery store. It was caught on video, and it turns out that the refrigerators were leaking condensation. She went and she slipped hard. And ultimately she was diagnosed with having several tears in the ligaments in her ankle. Turns out that she had something called complex regional pain syndrome, and ultimately that led in her getting something called a spinal cord stimulator, which is an invasive operation. And so this culminated in a litigation in which they denied liability. They didn't want to offer her more than $100,000. She was projected to need hundreds of thousands of dollars in the future. And of course, given all that, the pain and suffering was indeed going to be substantial. It took almost into the eve of trial for this case to get resolved before they offered the entirety of the $1 million policy limits. At Farah and Farah, we work fast, we work efficient, and we're going to work to build a relationship with you so that we understand the needs and the challenges of your case.